The Earth's habitable planet. So, what does a planet need to be habitable? A planet is going to need liquid water, oxygen, protection from solar wind, sunlight, the atmosphere, so like the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, protection from the sun's rays. It's going to need soil and also CO2. The position from the sun is a really important part for why the Earth is habitable. So why does the position of the sun matter? The position of the sun matters because it's what protects us from the solar radiation that comes from the sun. If we didn't have this protection from the sun, the Earth would be too hot, making it nearly impossible for life on Earth. The sun is close enough to keep us warm without harming us because of the atmosphere, and is far enough away that the Earth doesn't get too cold, but keeps it just warm enough. The atmosphere is something that plays into this, like I mentioned before. The magnetic field is super important. So why do we need a magnetic field? Earth needs its magnetic field to reflect a lot of the solar wind away from Earth. If the magnetic field wasn't there, the charged particles that are in the solar wind, they would slowly start chipping away and taking away from our ozone layer. We need the ozone layer because it protects us from the ultraviolet radiation, and that is super harmful to Earth as well. The magnetic field is also what keeps us, it helps keep the Earth's atmosphere intact. Now, the thing that I've been talking about a whole bunch, atmosphere. So, what do we need an atmosphere for? Earth needs its atmosphere to protect the Earth and everything that lives upon it. So, the atmosphere protects the life on Earth from the solar wind. It's able to keep in things like oxygen and carbon dioxide, which is what us humans and our animals and plants need to live. So the atmosphere plays a super big part in that and is super important. If we didn't have it, then the Earth really wouldn't be habitable.